So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial of LeetCode, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get a free merge cap of LeetCode that you can redeem with the coins without paying any single penny to the LeetCode. So to do that one, all you need to do is to just simply log into your LeetCode account via credentials, and this is the first page you're gonna see on the leetcode.com. Now here all you need to do is to just simply go to this option which says store. Just simply tap it over here, and here you're gonna see this option which is redeem. Once you tap on the redeem option, here you can see the list of items you can redeem from this lead coins. Here you can see this option which says lead code cap. Just simply tap. Currently I'm not having enough lead coins. Once you have enough lead coins that you can earn by solving daily problems, you can easily get a lead code cap from here only. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.